my channel Prabhakrafts. I am prepared to small penguin applique project. Very easy. Try it. Let's get started. I am using two color yarn. One is black and another one is white color. Next 2 mm crochet hook, scissor, needle. To make it magic ring, channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next 4 double crochet inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Next 1 triple crochet inside the magic ring. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Now turn third channel using go to slip stitch using back chain. Next 1 treble crochet inside the magic ring. Next continues to 9 double crochet inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now close the magic ring. Pull the yarn very tight. Now close to slip stitch. Starting channel 1, 2, 3. 3 go to slip stitch. The head of the penguin is ready. Next change the color yarn. Channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next same point double crochet. Next channel 1. Next channel double crochet. Next channel 1. Next channel go to double crochet. channel 1. Next channel is increase the double crochet. 1 and 2. Same channel is 2 double crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next turn double crochet in the same point. Next channel 1. This point is skip this middle portion, go to single crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next channel go to single crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next point, middle point is go to single crochet. Next channel 1. This is channel 3 point. This point last end, third channel using 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Next channel 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next turn, skip 1. Second channel using slip stitch. Next channel using single crochet. Next channel half double crochet. Next channel decrease the double crochet. Next closed. Next turn. Next channel go to 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Next channel 1. Skip this point. Next point go to single crochet. Next channel 3. 1, 2, 3. This point, next loop go to middle portion. Now go to single crochet. Next channel 1. This last chain 3 channel is available. Last third point using 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Next same point, 1 triple crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Now turn back chain, skip 1. Next channel go to slip stitch. Next channel go to single crochet. Next channel go to this point, go to slip stitch. Again second channel using slip stitch. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Same point double crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. This middle place go to single crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next this channel is skip this channel using 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Next channel 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn, same point, triple crochet. Next 2 triple crochet, the channel 3, this point, third point using double crochet, 1 and 2, same point. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Now turn, first point is skip, next point go to slip stitch, next chain is go to slip stitch, next point go to slip stitch, next point go to slip stitch. Next point go to slip stitch, next third chain go to slip stitch, next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Now turn, skip 1, next channel go to slip stitch, next channel go to slip stitch. Now cut the yarn. The penguins is ready. Now guide the extra end using sewing needle. Now cut the yarn. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the channels. Thank you so much. Thanking all subscriber. Thank you.